Hello everyone, I'm Chef Anna and welcome to my kitchen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make taho, the easy way to make taho. And I have a special guest today and I'm bringing with you my daughter and welcoming her on my kitchen. And she's the pro making this taho, showing it to her how to make it.
Hey Mom!
Hi.
Thank you for having me today. My friends in Vegas really love this taho, this dessert. Every party that I go to, they always ask how I make this, and I always tell them that I've learned this from you. So we're here to show you guys how to make taho. So the first thing you'll need is this tofu mix. This is a 3-ounce box. Usually when you go to the grocery store, if you can't find the 3-ounce box, usually they sell them 10-ounce boxes. All you have to do is just look at the directions in the back of the box, and on this box it says it's 2 3/4 cup of water. So with this box in particular, we're going to use 5 cups of water to make this taho. So here we're going to add to a pot 5 cups of water. And then we're going to add our taho mix. So in this box, there's usually 2 packs. One of them is the gelatin pack, and then the other one is the taho powder pack. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn on our little stove here, and we are going to pour out, well actually sift out this taho pack. It's really full today. Don't move.
Got it more.
Yeah. Cut this one.
And you have to have this kind of container too.
So, yep. So this container, you could actually use the pot if you want, or if you have another container, if you want to serve it for a party, just make sure that you have like a nice tight lid for it. So with this powder, what we're going to do is we're going to sift this mix into our pot. So we'll empty it out here. And sifting actually helps to dissolve the powder smoothly, so that way we don't get like any lumps or anything in the water. Okay, you're the pro. My spoon. I just learned like 5 minutes ago I had to sift, so I never sifted. So sorry, friends, if I told you not to sift, but the chef here says in this.
It's got a big lump in here from, I don't know why, but it's good to do this. And maybe you could just keep sipping it while I'm mixing it.
Okay.
This one.
All right. So while she's
Now
doing
look
this,
at this. We are 2 of us doing this taho. Just to make it sure that there's no lump, and you could see how I try to.
So with this, we're just using just a whisk just to kind of melt the powder down.
I think it looks
like
like
a powder.
It looks like this is already really discounted, I guess, because pretty much
Just
it's
like
no lump.
yeah, I told you to dump it in.
She was
Your fancy
She said, dump it, mom.
Shop
Because I said, well, you know what? Make it sure there's no lump, because it's going to take a long time to cook it.
Yeah.
But pretty much just like about 30 minutes.
Yep, this takes about 30 minutes to make. So all you want to do is whisk it really, really good. You can actually do this as the stove, you know, as you have your pot on the stove, and you just kind of just want to whisk it around back and forth really, really good, just to make sure that all the powder is dissolved in the water.
It looks like all dissolved now.
So once this is all sifted and melted in the water, you can take a look, and just to make sure, like you see how in the water there are just like a little bit of the little lumps in there, that means it just needs more whisking. So you want to make sure that you get that. And don't worry, it's gonna dissolve, because as this water is heating up, the powder is gonna dissolve in the water. And the reason why you don't want any of these clumps is because when you want taho, you don't want any of those clumpy powders in your mix. You want it like nice, smooth, silky, because that's what taho is all about. Okay, so now that we got the taho to a boil, you want to turn it off. So you want to make sure that you're mixing it. You want to turn off the stove, and you want to pull this out and transfer it over here so we can add the gelatin powder. So once that is nice and hot, you want to make sure right away that you add this gelatin powder. This is the secret. So you put this in, you whisk this nice and good, and you leave it. You let it sit. You can either put the lid on this pot, or if you want, you can transfer it right away immediately to your container. And pop the lid on. While we wait for this to set for 20 minutes, my mom's gonna explain how you make the syrup and the sago for the taho.
Okay, so here you can buy a pound bag of this dark brown sugar. You can use like half of this for 1 pound. For 1.5 cup of water, you boil it until it's thickened, that sauce like this. And then in this one, you'll boil this for about 20 minutes, and then strain it, put it back on a pot, and then put about a cup of water and put about half a cup of sugar. So the tapioca, it won't be dissolved, because when you sit around this tapioca, it will dissolve. So the secret of staying this firm, the tapioca, put a little bit sugar. And here you go. Let's enjoy the taho. So after 20 minutes, let's see how this taho looks like. And me and my daughter will share this. So here's yours, and this is mine. And you know, this is my favorite, the tapioca. So you have to have this kind of special spoon for just scoop the taho. Okay, wow, look at that, so soft. And you have to make it sure, try to cut, slice it like really thin, not like, look at that. Okay, here's your gun. So we'll see.
Alright.
Oops. Look how,
Listen, that happens
look how nice it
all
is.
the time.
And this is 5 cups of water for just a box of that. And then let's put this tapioca. And then the syrup. Oh, I have to watch my sugar. Wow, look at that.
That's a lot of sugar.
Look. Let's enjoy the taho. Taho!
Cheers.
And thank you for watching our video.
Thank you for watching.